alternator swap on a 2011 Honda Odyssey, and I didn't see a lot of videos that would express what to do as far as to make this job a lot easier. A lot of people like to take off the AC compressor and work from the bottom, but if you remove these two screws here on the grill so you can slide this forward, there's another cover that goes across here. This is the cover, plastic cover. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points on there that has to have clips removed. And what it'll do is it'll expose your radiator and condenser. You want to remove your brackets that hold your radiator on and your condenser. This way you can pull the radiator back and open up your shop for your alternator. That way you don't have to do a whole bunch of taking off. The alternator should or will fit through this opening here once you remove it. It's still going to be a fight, but it's definitely not going to be as hard. But this simplifies it, definitely. So, you know, I removed the hood latch. Make sure that you line those back up with the original points, because you'll be able to see it from the impression that it made where it was originally bolted up. And then boom, you slide it out through here. Let me see if I can get y'all some light. Okay. Alright, so on to the next step. I hope this helps you. Like and subscribe, please. Leave a comment to let me know if it helps you or not.